Alright, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Ty with Multipurpose, and we're about to do a quick unboxing. Shout out to the good people at Super Clean. They sent me over these products to unbox and review on the channel. So stay tuned. We're about to go ahead and unbox it and actually see what we got. Alright, so first thing I see in the box is people at Super Clean sent me over this hat. Pretty standard hat. Snapback with the Super Clean logo on the front. Seems to be a pretty nice hat. That's one of the first things that's in the box, so that's very nice. Thank you, Super Clean, for sending that over. They also sent me over the Super Clean t-shirt as well. So they sent me the Super Clean hat. Super Clean hat along with the Super Clean t-shirt, as well as they sent me this Super Clean product right here. Dissolves grease, super fast, super easy, super fast. It's a biodegradable detergents as well. So yeah, we're definitely gonna test these products out on the channel. They also sent me over another bottle of Super Clean as well, as you can see. And if you want to read the back label, pause it right here and you'll be able to check out the label. And it's another one, Super Clean all-wheel cleaner. Okay, it says it foams away grime and brake dust. Super easy, super fast. 32 ounces. Sounds great. We're definitely gonna test that out, so be on the lookout for a video for that in the next couple of days. As you can see, if you want to see what's on the back label, just pause it right now and you can check out this back label. Like, they also sent me over some floor absorbent as well. And I'm not sure if that's a sticker. Yeah, that's a Super Clean sticker they sent me right here. As well as the paperwork for all the products that they sent me. Awesome, man. Here's a letter from the good people over here at Super Clean. And bam, these are the products and things that Super Clean sent me over to test out on the channel. As you can see, yeah, so definitely shout out to the good people at Super Clean for sending me over these products. And be on the lookout. The next couple of days we will be dropping a video featuring these products. And with that, I'm out, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.